Good morning students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to the maths class. Okay, now in this class I would like to explain thousands. Okay, so now we know that, what we know that 10 ones is equal to 10 ones is equal to 110. Okay, so now all of you open your classwork. Take your classwork, all of you. And today date, all of you write down and draw the margin in classwork. All of you take your classwork and draw the margin and write down the date here 18/9 and write down the date 18/9, today's date. Okay, and here write, draw here flower, means like a point. This is the important points I can draw like this. Okay, so now this picture, this one you can draw with pencil and write 10 ones is equal to 110. Classwork must and should write with pen. Classwork, homework write with pen, and only text work write with pencil. Now you are studying 3rd class now, so all of you must and should use the pen. Okay, only text work you can use the pencil. So now all of you take your classwork now. So now in this classwork you can note down the points. Okay, 10 ones is equal to 110 and give the gap. And next point, 10 tens, 10 tens is equal to 100. Okay, all of you know very well now. 10 tens is equal to 100. 10 tens are 100. Okay, 10 ones are 10. Okay, understood? Next point. Okay, here now the largest 3-digit number, the largest 3-digit number is equal to 999. The largest 3-digit number is 999. In first class, means 3rd class, first class, I am explaining in your classwork. Okay, in front pages for having the largest 3-digit number 999. Now in 999 we add plus 1. We add plus 1. So now 991. So now I am taking here rough column. Now here draw with pencil. Draw the line with pencil, and here take a pencil, and this one you can addition. Addition must and should use the pencil. So rough work you can write with pencil. Okay, 9 plus 1, 10. Here 1 is carrying. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 I am writing here, 1 is carrying. 9 plus 1, 10. Total 1000. Okay. So now 1000 is the smallest the smallest 4-digit number. The smallest 4-digit number 1000. Okay, understood? So when the largest number to we add 1, the largest 3-digit number we add 1, we got the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, that is 1000. Okay, write down in your class work all of you. And next one, here I am writing 2000. Okay, give a gap and write neatly 2000. Now I am writing number name 2000. Okay, next one, 3000. Give a gap and write neatly. Okay, 3000. Okay, and here not sufficient, no, so now I am writing again here. So now I rub the board. Again draw the line here. Okay, 4000. Next, 5 3 zeros, 5000. And next one, 6000. And again 7 3 zeros, 7000. Okay, and next one, 8 3 zeros, 8000. Write with neat handwriting, use the pen and give the gap and write neatly. And next, 9 3000, 9 3 zeros, 9000. 9 3 zeros, 9000. And 9000 after, next 10,000. Okay, so now this is the class work given for you. Okay, now here I am writing here 1000 to 10,000 number and number names. Okay, so now all of you close your class work and take your homework book. So now all of you take your homework book and write down the date 18/9 and write the question. Write numbers from 1000 to 10,000 counting by thousands and write their number names. Okay, now you can write 1000. So now we are writing 1000. Next 2000, 3000. Enough. Don't write 1001, 1002. No need. Only number names 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. Likewise up to 10,000. Already given in your classwork, no? Likewise, you can write in your homework book also. So now take your diary, all of you. Day, day, Friday, date 18/9 And max diary work, do given homework, do given homework. Okay. So, once again I repeated ma students, here you can write only 1000, 2000, 3000 likewise number and number name, 2000, 3000 number and number name likewise. Okay. You can write up to 10,000. Understood all of you? Okay. Thank you.